Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss a question on thermodynamic properties of mixing. So let's get started. Determine the temperature at which the entropy change of mixing is 4.03 joule per mole Kelvin if the Gibbs free energy change of mixing is recorded as negative 1200 joule per mole. In order for you to answer this question, we can use the formula of delta mix as is equivalent to negative delta mix G divided by T. In the question, you were given the value for delta mix as, which is 4.03 joule per mole Kelvin, which is equivalent to negative delta mix G is negative 1200 joule per mole and T. So you were asked to determine what is T. So basically, T is equivalent to 1200 joule per mole divided by 4.03 joule mole Kelvin. So therefore, you should get 297.77 Kelvin, or we can round this up as 298 Kelvin. So how do we get this Kelvin? Because it's joule per mole divided by joule per mole per Kelvin, so it's the same as mole Kelvin per joule. So here we slash this out, leaving you with the unit of Kelvin. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.